Hi everyone, we're going to solve the equation sine of 3x minus pi divided by 4 plus cosine of x plus pi divided by 3 equals 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this. I'm going to write this one first, cosine of x plus pi divided by 3, and I'm going to subtract this one from both sides of the equation. So that's going to give me negative sine of 3x minus pi divided by 4. Now, my goal here is to get these two to be the same. So I know that for my cofunctions, I can write sine as a cosine, and then I have the negative here as long as I add 90 degrees. So I'm going to do pi divided by 2, and then add this argument here, 3x minus pi divided by 4. All right, so these two are equivalent for cofunctions. Now, let's add these two up. So you get pi divided by 2 minus pi divided by 4. And common denominator is 4, so that's going to be 2 pi minus pi. So that's that's going to be positive pi divided by 4. Therefore, this is going to equal cosine of 3x plus pi divided by 4. All right, so now we have it all nice where we can solve this. So let's write this one first. So we're going to write cosine of 3x plus pi divided by 4. So all I did was rewrite this. All right, equals, and we're going to set this equals to, I'm just switching this around, cosine of x plus pi divided by 3. All right, now since these are the same, I can set my arguments equal to the same. So we want these to be the same. But at the same time, when we're solving this equation, we're finding all solutions. We're not finding just the solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So we have to set up a general formula for this. So for the left-hand side, we just write 3x plus pi divided by 4. And then this side, we're just going to write x plus pi divided by 3. But we have to add the rotation. So that would be 2k pi. And then this is going to be, when you do this, you're going to write plus and minus when you're adding the this angle here. So put plus and minus. All right, so we need to check and solve for x here. We're going to do the plus, and then we're going to do the minus. So if we do the plus, we're going to get 3x plus pi divided by 4 equals 2k pi. And then we're going to put plus. And then we have our angle x plus pi divided by 3. All right, solving for this, I'm going to take away the parentheses. Let's subtract the x, so I get 2x if I subtract this x. And let's subtract pi divided by 4. So that's going to give you 2k pi plus pi divided by 3 minus pi divided by 4. And that's just going to give you pi divided by 12, because that's your common denominator. And then we're solving for x, so divide both sides by 2. So this is going to be k pi plus pi divided by 24. So there's that one, general solution. Now we have to do the negative. So we're going to have 3x plus pi divided by 4 equals 2k pi minus our argument x plus pi divided by 3. So simplifying this, we get 3x plus pi divided by 4 equals 2k pi minus x minus pi divided by 3. So when you add x to both sides and subtract pi divided by 4, you're going to get 4x equals 2k pi minus, we're subtracting pi divided by 4, So that's going to be, the common denominator is 12. So that's going to be 7 pi. All right, and then we have to just divide everything by 4 here. So our x would be equal to, let's see, k pi divided by 2. You divide those two, and then this will be 4 times 12 is 48, so that's going to be minus 7 pi divided by 48. So this is your other answer. These are your two general solutions. And also, just note that your k is any integer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.